Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet keychain designs model. A crochet keychain design is a small decorative item made using crochet techniques and attached to a keyring. It is both functional and cute, used to hold keys, decorate bags, or gifts as handmade gifts. Popular crochet keychain styles. First, floral designs like tiny roses, daisies, sunflowers for soft and feminine. Origami mini animals, soft stuffed animals like bears, bunnies, or cats, very popular for gifts. Heart and cute shapes, hearts, stars, clouds, simple and quick to make. Fruit and food miniature like strawberries, avocados, cupcakes, fun and trendy. How crochet keychains are made? Most are made using single crochet stitches, tight and frame, worked in chunks for 3D shapes, tight stuffing for softness. Secure attachment to a keyring. Because they are small, tension must be tight so stuffing doesn't show. Why crochet keychains are popular? For small and quick projects, great for beginners, low air cost, perfect handmade gifts. Ideal for a small business, easy to sell online or at crafts fair. Design variations you can customize by adding beads, embroidering faces, using pastel or neutral tones, adding tassels, personalizing with details. Business idea bonus. Crochet keychains are lightweight for shipping, affordable to produce. High gift demand. Great for themed collections. They are perfect if you are thinking about handmade product ideas. Smart tips for crochet keychains designs. Use third stitches. Very important. Because keychains are small, use a smaller hook than your ear label suggests. Keep stitches tight so stuffing doesn't show. Avoid loose tension. Tight stitches equal professional look. Choose the right yarn. Best yarn types: cotton yarn for trouble, whole shape oil, acrylic, budget friendly. Avoid very fuzzy yarn, loses detail. Keep the size practical. Ideal keychain size 2 to 3 inches, like 5 to 8 centimeter. Too big, heavy. Too small, loses detail. Balance is key. Reinforce the attachment. This is where many beginners fail. Seal tightly around the metal ring. Use a strong thread for attaching. Use double knot securely. Hide knots inside stitches. Weak attachments ruins the whole pieces. Add small details for charm. Tiny details make designs special. Embroidered eyes in a stage of plastic. Safer plus softer look. Use mini bows, lace edging, tiny wooden beads, small tassels. Stuffing tips. Use small amounts at a time. Shape with your fingers. Avoid overstuffing. Stalked shape. Understuff slightly for soft fill. Smooth shaping makes it look high quality. Finishing like a professional. Before calling it done, Trim all loose threads. Hide yarn tails carefully. Check symmetry. Make sure it hangs straight. The tails matter in small pieces. Design collection strategy. If selling, stage of random designs. Create themes like floral collection, fruit collection, minimal neutral collection, vintage goddess collection. Matching sets sell better than single random items. Personalization ideas to increase its value. Add in details at birth month flower, custom colors, couple heart set, name later keychains. Personalized items feel special. Packaging for extra appeal. Even simple packaging upgrades your product. Craft paper tag, handwritten label, small transparent pouch, linen string wrap. Presentation increases perceived value. Crochet keychains succeed because they are small, plus cute, plus affordable, plus giftable. Focuses on clean stitching, strong adjustment, soft color harmony, simple but charming designs. Advanced crochet keychains tips. Master the invisible decrease. If you are making origami shapes, use invisible decreases instead of regular decreases. It prevents gaps and keeps the surface smooth. Makes your keychains look professionally made. Tiny details like this separate beginner work from advanced work. Use lightweight filling because keychains hang from keys or bags. Use lightweight polyester fiber fill. Don't overstuff. Keep the center frame but soft. Heavy keychains are uncomfortable and less practical. Double security attachment method for durability. Attach yarn directly through keyring. Sew multiple touch rounds. Tie a double knot. Hide torn inside body. If selling, always test by gently pulling. It should not move. In tiny crochet, imperfections show more, so precision matters. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!